Right.
That's quick inflation.
Okay.
If you're saying like, okay, let me throw this out and let it drag, there's going to be a mooring line in here, and it'll come out when, like, just by the act of it floating away.
Gotcha. I couldn't remember. We're supposed to clip the mooring line to a seatbelt in the airplane, and
this right here, see this says retaining line.
Yeah.
This is going to come out as far as it needs to. It's not. At one point, it will hook up with the pull cable that inflates it.
Right.
But what you're going to do is like put this around something, or hook it on. Some of them actually do have hooks on them.
Yeah.
But then what's going to happen is you pull it. This is going to pop off and open the release.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Oh,
showing me.
No problem. I don't have a lot going on.
Okay.
So the release separates really easily and exposes the entire raft.
Gotcha.
The rest of the mooring line is kept underneath the cylinder here. Or actually, you have a short one. This must be a 91. Are you a 91 operator?
I am a 91 operator.
Oh yeah, it's a shorter mooring line. When you have like a 20-foot mooring line, it's going to be typically a 91 kit.
Gotcha.
75 feet is for 135, so it's going to... Normally, in your case, you don't have much room to inflate it.
Gotcha.
If you were a 135 operator, they'd give you a 75-foot lanyard being tucked away under here.
Okay.
But it looks like yours is pretty short.
Now, I can't remember from my wet dish training, once, like, let's say you clip to a seat belt or something that's in the airplane, and then you let the raft drag.
Any point that's close to the door, pretty much.
Yeah, and then now does the mooring line have a tensile braking strength where if the plane starts to sink, your raft inflates? And then
there's a point on here where there's stitching usually, like maybe right here. I don't know off the top of my head like what strength it's going to break at.
Right.
But more importantly, there's a knife in the raft.
Yeah, there is.
I wouldn't rely on the line to break. I'd wait for to get it.
Yeah, me too. I'm just saying, like, just in case, I would hate to inflate my raft and think, shit, I should get in the raft, which you need to. You need to get in the raft right away.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's just the valve protection cover.
Gotcha.
This is a high pressure bottle, the little black ones. So they come with a diffuser already installed. What this does is it diffuses gas into 4 different directions.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of a safety mechanism. The only bottles that use this one installed on the raft are the high pressure ones. We're just going to replace it with a bigger one.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But it'll go back on when we pack it back up. Yeah, you definitely have a small cable loop to make it deploy.
Oh, right.
This one goes around the neck just so that it doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
And then this pin goes to the valise to close it, and this goes to the pull ring.
Okay.
So you don't really have to know a lot about that. You just need to know that all you have to do is get that pull ring out of there.
Yeah.
Throw the raft in the water and deploy it.
And the pull ring was this one right here.
No, this guy.
Oh, this ring. Yeah. That ring right there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
All right. Well, that's going to come out. Now what we're going to look at is the last hydro date. On here, this is a high pressure bottle. So you got 603 and 903. So this cylinder assembly is due for hydro test.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, and if you want to stick around, well actually I can't promise you that.
No, that's fine.
Okay. I was going to say you could see us fire it off, but we don't do that until the raft passes air retention test, which is 24 hours from now.
Oh, right,
Technically Tuesday morning.
And I need to pick up my wife in about an hour anyway. So,
so we're going to send it out for hydro. You're going to need a new gauge.
Yeah, look at that.
We have those in stock, no problem.
Okay.
I don't know how much that's going to run you.
Okay.
But it's shattered.
Yeah, I see that.
And we're going to rebuild this valve.
Yeah, that's what Earl said.
I do that. I'm actually was doing that right now, training someone, but he needs to learn on his own. So.
Gotcha.
So when the raft comes out, we're going to inspect the valise for any damage or anything.
Okay.
That's the first thing you're going to see when you climb in is the survival equipment and the raft knife.
Oh, yeah.
The raft knife should be over here somewhere. I can't see because it's not blown up, but here, there it is. Here's your knife. They intentionally put it right next to where the mooring line is going to be.
Okay.
So you can cut it away.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Good to know. Oh, this is so invaluable.
This is a really cool raft.
I can't believe I got this thing
Yeah.
for $500. 2 for $1,000. Oh my God.
So you have your basic accessories, heaving ring, knife, survival kit, blah, blah, blah.
Okay. Yeah.
Which is in the survival kit. Now, when we inflate it, we're listening for the PRV, which stands for pressure release valve or relief valve. So it's going to go up to a certain amount of air capacity. Here,
Got it.
that's the PRV for the lower tube. The upper tube is PRV is on the canopy right here.
Oh, okay.
So, if in case you ever have to use this raft, your raft is most likely not leaking, it's just PRV.
Gotcha. Good to know.
So, while
Wow.
we inflate it and we let it sit for about an hour, give or take, while we're doing the prelims, checking all the components per the CMM, it's going to tell you to check every little,
Right.
along every panel, blah, blah, blah. We're going to take the kit out. Let's do that right now and we'll look at your ELT. This, if you have to use the kit, you're going to open it with the raft knife right across here.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about this seam. That's for a technician.
Oh, okay.
Getting
Okay.
access.
Good to know.
There it is.
Wow.